What if the next company that changes Nigeria, the next technology that transforms lives, the next billionaire idea is already sitting in an ABU classroom? For decades, Ahmadu Bello University Zaria has been more than a university. It has been a place where knowledge meets ambition, where young minds are prepared to shape the future. From the classroom to the laboratories, from research to innovation, ABU has always had something powerful, young people with ideas. But there is a question we must ask ourselves. Is learning enough? Is getting a degree enough? Because the world is changing. The future will not belong to only those who know. It will belong to those who can create, those who can identify a problem, design a solution, build a system, create a product, and turn an idea into value. And surprisingly, the biggest shift we need is not in our curriculum, it is in our mindset. We must begin to learn differently, to think differently, and to build differently. Imagine a university where students don't wait until graduation to start building, where a final year project can become a company, where a problem becomes a business opportunity, where an idea moves from a notebook to a prototype and to the market. But what if ABU becomes more than a place where ideas are learned? What if it becomes where ideas become reality? A new challenge is coming, a challenge that will push you to look at your knowledge differently, your skills differently, your ideas differently, and most importantly, your future differently. And on the 25th, someone very special returns to ABU. Jelani Aliyu, a former ABU student who took his creativity from these grounds to the global stage. He is coming to power the challenge, to ignite a new generation of creators, innovators, and problem solvers. The challenge is to find the top 20 ideas bold enough to move from the classroom to the real world. Each of them will receive 1 million naira and the opportunity to pitch before a team of investors and venture capitalists. Your idea is only the beginning. What you build with it could change everything. Submissions are open until the 1st of September 2026. So ABU students, are you ready? Because something big is coming, something transformative. Create before you graduate. The search for the next generation of ABU billionaire ideas.